Hey, Chanel here with another SewBit. Today we're going to talk about one of my biggest pet peeves. I don't know if it's called a pet peeve or not, but it's a problem I have. So I'm only 5'7". It's not like 5'11" or something, but I have the worst time finding jeans that are long enough. I finally, like in the stores, will find a pair and they fit, you know, right there. They're perfect. And then I take them home and I wear them because I know that they're going to shrink. So I get at least one good wear out of them. And then I wash them and they shrink. So I've actually figured out this, I just thought of this great way to do this. So I love white jeans. I actually found these and I bought 3 pair. 1 pair is still in my closet, too afraid to wash it. So I washed both these pairs, but I gotta show you. These, I have a 31-inch inseam. I think maybe I just have a little longer leg or something. I don't know what the deal is, because 5'7" is not that tall. So, match these up. Let's see, where'd that go? Match them up on the side seams. Right here, this is 1 pair. 1 pair really shrunk. Well, actually it didn't shrink. 1 pair was just shorter than the other. So actually when you're shopping, look for that. Sometimes they're shorter by that much. So these pants, make sure, are good. Throw those to the side. Make sure I got the right pants. I don't want to cut them up. Actually, I'm not going to cut them. I'm just going to add a length. Okay, so these ones, I need to add just like that much more. I like my pants a little on the long side. It's because I have big feet and I like to cover them. Size 10. But, so, what I thought is I have all these other white jeans in my stash that they're just uncomfortable. I finally found a pair that are so comfortable, and they have like this elastic band in there. And oh my gosh, I took the tag out, size tag out, so you don't know what size I have. Anyway, so but these are so comfortable. So I bought 3 pairs and a denim pair that I'm wearing today, but you can't see them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off my old jeans from last season. I'm going to cut off the hem right here, and I'm going to overlock the edge, and I'm going to put it inside this other leg, and I'm going to stitch it down, and I'm going to have like a double hem. So it's going to be like a designer hem, and it'll solve my problem. It'll give me that little extra length. And these pants will look just like those pants. So, I'm going to show you real quickly how to do that in case you have the same problem. Okay, got my old pants here. I think I'm going to chop off about 2 inches. Right here, that should give enough room for a little overlap. And a little bit of room to cut off from the overlocker. So I'm going to make sure these are even. I'm just going to chop off this part. There goes those pants. I hope I cut the right ones. Okay. I'm going to make shorts or something out of the old ones, a little capris, but they don't really fit me, so I'm just going to donate them. Somebody can shred them up. Okay, so here is the end of that. I'm going to go and overlock this together. If you don't have an overlocker, you can bind it with some bias tape. Would be a good idea, or just zigzag it because this is going to fray like crazy. Then I'm going to make sure I have my inseam part here, and then I'll just be stitching it right. I think I'll probably stitch it just so it's not so thick, probably right past the original hem. I'll give it that little extra look. And this is just a little bit bigger than the old one, so I think I'm going to have to stretch it as I'm going, and then it's going to kind of pucker a little bit. But I think if I just stretch it in little increments, it'll look all right. So I'm going to go overlock this now and put my first one in there and see how it looks. I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, I thought I better show this to you before I stitch it on, but these cut pieces, actually, there is a front and a back to them, so you got to find where the inseam is. It's usually the seam that has no top stitching on it, although these other jeans have the opposite. But find the top, find the inseam, and then you can see how there's the seam is over here, that the back, or usually the back is a little bit longer, so make sure you, if you do this, get it the back to the back right there, because I was trying to match up the side, or trying to match it up. I just put one in just thinking they were the same. I forgot, actually, because I didn't make these jeans, so I don't know. But they fit a lot better when I tried it on the other cut leg. See how now these are fitting much better, so they're actually just maybe a hair wider than my existing pants here, right there, so that you don't, because you want to match up the side seams right here. Okay, now once I get those pinned in like that, I'm putting the pins in the direction I'm going to pull them out, and just hold them all down, get it situated so I don't just go throwing them in there. And then this is like overlock, nice and flat. I'm going to stitch just above there, so then it's also not so thick. And I have like little pleat looking pants. All right, now I'm going to go finish these. Well, that was easy. That looks great. I'm going to go do a little press on it. It went in there really easy. I just top stitched. There's the overlock. I just top stitched it right close to the edge there. Actually had a size 11 needle in my machine, and it went right through there. So you could even do a stretch stitch on there, but if you ever wanted to take it off, it's too hard to take off. So I am very happy. Now I can wear these pants and nobody will know I have a size 10 foot. Anyway, I'll see you in the next sew bit. Don't forget to subscribe.